for our Thursday. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. We're expecting a heat index between 105 to 110 anywhere that has these colors on our map here. And let's explain to you what each of them are. We have the less severe heat advisory in effect for these orange counties until 8 p.m. on Friday. That also includes coastal Ocean County. Then in red, an excessive heat warning for life-threatening heat. Now, why the difference? It's based on National Weather Service criteria. Because we are a little more persistently warmer in, let's say, Cape May Courthouse or Mays Landing than, let's say, McGuire Air Force Base or Toms River, well, we have a higher threshold for these heat alerts, but it is going to feel the same everywhere. And here's some heat safety tips as we go into the day on Thursday. Stay in the air conditioning as much as possible. If you're in the AC, you're doing good. But if you do have to be outside, or if you are someone without air conditioning, avoid the direct sun between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and make sure you drink water, even if you're not thirsty here. And the reason for that, your body will lose water quickly out just through sweat. And make sure to keep your pets out of the heat as well. They get hot just like we do, so you want to make sure you keep them cool. Going into our dew points, this helps to tell the story because we were borderline oppressive on Wednesday, but we are just downright oppressive for our Thursday and Friday with dew points above 75 degrees. Saturday is going to be very sticky as well, but then that cold front comes through, cleanses out our atmospheric palette, and as we go into our Sunday, we're talking about much drier weather here, just a touch of humidity for our Sunday. Looking at our Thursday morning numbers, temperatures going up like a rocket ship here into the 70s, into the 80s here, mid-80s already by 9 a.m. Mid-80s are our average high temperature at Atlantic City International Airport. We will get there by 9 a.m. on a southwesterly wind and a mostly sunny sky. And as we go into Thursday, feeling 105 to 110 inland. Look at that mainland high, 94 degrees. That's a little bit warmer than where we were on Wednesday. Here's a look at our peak heat indexes for Thursday. Again, mid-100s for places. Same story for our Friday, but then Saturday, cooling down big time here as we go into the weekend because we are looking for that cold front to pass sometime later in the day on Saturday. So this model is taking into account what's happening after that cold front passes. One more thing, too. Don't be surprised to see a 115-degree heat index somewhere Thursday and Friday very locally. Here's our on-the-water forecast for Thursday. We are talking about a high tide between 11 a.m. to noon. Wave height, fairly typical here. Swell in wave period. Well, we have a sound swell of 5 seconds, so not great for the surfers out there. Water temps, though, very warm, so that is good news. As we go into Thursday night, a stifling night here. Temperatures in the mid-70s. Usually we say lucky pair of sevens. Not so lucky on the mainland here because if you don't have the air conditioning, it's tough to sleep at night. Breathing can be impacted, so do make sure to try to stay as cool as possible. Then for our Friday, pretty much same story. Same old song and dance for us. Hazy, hot, and humid. A little more cloud cover later in the day with this front here that'll try to bring some showers and thunderstorms Friday evening. If they don't, we're going to get another round later in the day on Saturday here. We have the Fish concert in Atlantic City at 7:30 p.m. No guarantee that we're going to see rain, but the potential for severe weather is there in any thunderstorm with damaging winds, so there's something to keep in mind. Here's a look at our mainland 7-day forecast. We'll get you to Saturday here. We are talking about a mostly dry day, but there will be some showers and storms around. The Fish concert, which is Saturday night in Atlantic City on the beach, has the potential of at least being delayed for a little bit here. And as we go into Sunday, early showers, but again, mostly dry day. I think that rain is out by mid-morning. And look at the temperatures, only around 80 here. So much different than how it will be both Thursday and Friday. And as we go into Monday and Tuesday, shades of September, high pressures in store, but eventually it gives way to what will likely be the remnants of Fred, and that will bring heavy downpours sometime either Wednesday or Thursday. We're talking more about Fred, more about the heat, more about the thunderstorms on social media, and for the most in-depth analysis, the information that you need to know, you can come to our website at thepressofac.com/weather.